Hi, hello, welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis of 28th June 2022 and the trade setup for tomorrow. So friends, the market opened flat and the CPR is narrow. Okay, what we discussed yesterday, if there is opening between H3 to H4 or L3 to L4, there will be a breakout and that will be the fine trade setup. But what happened, the market has not opened gap up or gap down and it was flat, right? See here, most of the traders will be like, they will form a range. Okay, the market is in this range and we need to trade when it gives a breakout. So they don't take any trade within this range. They will wait for the breakout. See, we are not here to trade only when it is breakout. We are here to trade Nifty every day if there is a clear level, like if our Camarilla level support us to take the trade, we will definitely take the trade. We don't wait for the breakouts. That is what our strategy gives you. See here, the market opened flat, right? See, the first 5 minutes candle is a bearish candle and the first 5 minutes candle has already reached H3. See, the first candle or the opening after the market opening, at what point the market is heading towards, at what Camarilla level the market is heading towards is very important. Here the market has reached H3, so H3 to L3 movement is possible. That is what we have to observe. And observe here, the first 5 minutes candle closing is here. So if you take trade here, your stop loss will be here. I felt like that is a big stop loss. See, if it is here at this point, I may take the trade, but you may take the trade here at this point if you are comfortable with the stop loss. Your stop loss will be above this wick, right? But I didn't take the trade here at this point. And see the second 5 minutes candle, it has reached CPR, and we know that since the CPR is narrow, then the CPR will be easily broken since it has not formed a breakouts. So when there is a L4 breakout or a H4 breakout, then only the CPR will be safe. Otherwise the narrow CPR will easily get penetrated. So this second 5 minutes candle, after this second 5 minutes candle, most of the people's mistake will be like seeing the second 5 minutes candle, they enter here at this point and the stop loss will be very big. See here, today the market has not came up, but if you take trade here and if the market comes up, then what will you do? Your stop loss will get easily hit. So see, at 9:45, right? See, within 20 minutes the market has already moved 150 points. That is what you need to observe. The market is too volatile and it formed red candles continuously. So I didn't take any trade here at this point since it is continuously making volatility. And I was like, at L3 I'll see the price action, and at the L3 I may take the trade if and only if the market is giving me a small stop loss, right? See, this is the candle where we need to be confirmed. See this also here, what made me to confirm that I'm going long is here, most probably I'll trade in Nifty futures. So in Nifty futures, it has already reached L4 and it take a good support at L4, right? So here, this is the point where you can take a call position. So this is the point we can take a call position and your target will be up to CPR or H3 according to your risk reward ratio. If you are an option buyer, then you can book your profit up to CPR only. See, the first move is very fast, right? From H3 to H3 to L3, and the second move, observe the second move from L3 to H3, it was more than 2 hours, but from H3 to L3 it is 20 minutes. It's only 20 minutes. most of the time, if the market is giving one direction in a simple way, there may be a consolidation or swings forming to reach the another level. So H3 will be our target. See, today most of the traders may not take any trade just because it was in the yesterday's range. Most of the traders will think like, if the market is above yesterday's previous day high or below yesterday's previous day low, then they think that the market has given a breakout. They don't trade inside the Nifty. So that is what makes us stand in the market, that the CPI Camarilla levels will give us clear indication in the sideways market also, right? See, today H3 to L3 moment and L3 to H3 moment was formed, and will come on to the next day, that is tomorrow's trade setup. See, Camarilla and the CPR relation for tomorrow is outside CPR, right? See, for Nifty, CPR relation to the today's CPR is outside CPR. But in Bank Nifty, it is an inside CPR and a narrow CPR. So, most probably there will be definitely a breakout tomorrow. And the breakout will be very good if it opens gap up and if it breaks H4. See, observe here. If the market opens below H3, that will not be a good trade setup. But if the market opens above H3, that will be a good trade setup. And also, if market opens above H4 or if it gets a bullish pin bar, observe here, since the CPR in Bank Nifty is narrow and it is outside CPR, there may be a chance like the market will get retested to H3. Okay, don't take in hurry immediately. You need not to take trade. You just observe the market. If the market forms a green candle, then there will be a retest. If the market forms a red candle at this point or between this H3, see, if market can reach the H3 very soon, then there will be a breakout and it may reach CPR. But if it takes time like 1 hour or 1.5 hours to reach H3, then that is a retesting. So from that H3, there may be a chance like H3 to H5 movement is possible, because H4 to H5 distance is 90 points only, but Nifty needs at least more than 100 points range. So H3 to H5 movement is possible tomorrow. If at all the market opens below L4, then L4 breakout, we can definitely take a put position. And if market opens flat, see, the market opens flat at L3 or at CPR, you can take a call position. From this point here at the CPR, since the CPR is average CPR, it may take support here at this point itself and it may go up. That's all for tomorrow trade setup. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.